Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get medium solar panel in Astroneer. This is especially useful for converting sunlight into power on every planet that has some decent solar energy. So to begin, we'll want to go ahead and research the medium solar panel. Go to the small printer tab in the research tab and scroll down until you see medium generator. Here, go to the second position and you should find the medium solar panel. This is going to require 2000 bytes to unlock, so make sure you've got plenty. And secondly, we'll need copper and glass as the materials. Copper can be gathered on the starting planet inside of the mountains as a copper material, which is called malachite. This can be smelted inside of a smelting furnace to get some copper. The second ingredient is going to be glass, which is made from quartz, from smelting quartz inside of the smelting furnace, and quartz can be made as I did in the soul centrifuge, or can be found on every planet inside of caves. So once you've gathered all the materials you'll need, secondly you'll need a small printer to make it in. So just go to a small printer, scroll down to the 6th tab, and then go to the right. Here you'll find the medium solar panel. So go ahead and craft it using the copper and glass. And this solar panel can be placed down on the medium platform A or a large platform which has more slots for it. As you can see, when I unpack the medium solar panel, at the bottom you'll see these two dots. This means that it can be placed on a space which has these two connection points. So the smallest one is the medium platform. So this is pretty much all. How to get the medium solar panel in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.